Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you Malaysia E-Invoice software. We are Switcher Techno Software House providing you a complete Malaysia E-Invoice software for your business according to LHDN government law. How it works, how you can get the software. I will go to the system. I will show you the complete demo how our software works for your business. As you know, it's a mandatory for all the business owners to implement this e-invoice system in your business to create the GST invoice. When you create the GST invoice, it will directly hit to the according to the LHDN compliance. We have made our complete ERP software which controls inventory management, accounts management, profit and loss, each and everything. So without wasting your time, let's go to the system and we will see how our software works. This is our software dashboard main menu. So how we start? Okay, before starting we just go to the starting point. Okay, this is our login form. You can create multiple user accounts. You can give the permissions to each of your users. For example, if you are admin, you want to give the limited permissions to your users, so you can access the permission as well. So in this software you can create your user logins here, user rights, you can create your passwords here. Okay, now we have a new customer. I'm going to add the customer here. For example, I have different categories like cash customer, credit customer, retail customer, wholesale customer. Now I'm going to put a customer on a credit customer, so I'm just simply adding one customer. For example, the company name is Hassan Trading. Okay, contact person Mr. Hassan. Address, if you want to put an address, region, sub-region, telephone number, XYZ telephone number, mobile number, sales tax registration number you can put here. Okay, business sector, and you can set the credit limit here. So I'm just going to save this. So you can see this now, the customer is on my record. Now I'm going to add another like if you want to add the vendor account, you can create the vendor's account from where you're purchasing the goods. Now I'm going to add the item, in which item you are dealing. For example, I have a mobile shop, so I'm just getting starting a main category with mobile. Now I have a different categories like iPhone, I have a Samsung brand, I have a Vivo brand, and whatever you have you can add here. Now in iPhone I'm going to add the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the item name, and I'm just going to add the description. If you have any description, you can set the purchase price. For example, the purchase price is 12,000 and the selling price is 15,000, and this item is like pieces, kg, liter, whatever. You can just set the carton, whatever you have. I can just set the reorder quantity as well. Here I can set the sell tax percentage. For example, is 10% or 18%, whatever you can set here. So I'm just going to save this. You can see the item is on my list, so you can create multiple items here, no limitations. All right, now I'm going to add purchase invoice. Here I go, purchase order, purchase sell tax invoice. So I'm going to go to the purchase sell tax invoice. Okay, according to the compliance, purchase sell tax invoice will not go to the LHDN portal. Okay, so I'm just going to add the select the vendor account. I'm just going to select the vendor invoice number. So I'm here adding iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now you can see it's showing a balance piece is 0. Now I'm purchasing, for example, 5 pieces. 12,000 is the amount. So total excluding tax is 60,000, 18% tax. So including tax is 10,800, and now 70,800 including tax amount. So I'm going to pay the amount. For example, to the vendor I'm paying 20,000 advance. Now 50,800 will go to the ledger. I will show you. I'm going to print this. You can see the print. That's how it looks. Here we will provide your company name, your address, your phone number, your registration number, each and everything. If you want to print this, you want to send PDF to your customer, your vendor, you can send. Now after this purchase, I have to make a sell tax invoice, which is mandatory. Sell tax invoice. Here I will select the company name, Hassan Trading. You can see automatically number reflect, GST registration reflect. Now I'm just going to select the item, iPhone. Now you can see 5 pieces available. I'm selling 1 piece, 15,000, 18% GST, including GST. This is the amount. When I will print this invoice will hit directly to the portal. Okay, see, I just print this invoice. Now this invoice is hit to the LHND compliance, right? Now after that you can create the reports, like you want to check your financials, your accounts ledger. If I want to see Hassan trading ledger, you can see that receivable amount. If you want to check your vendor ledger, you will see the payable amount, that 70,800 was the bill, 20,000 we just paid, and now 50,800 we have to pay more. So this is the ledger accounts. After that we have multiple accounts here, like your cash account, your bank account, your profit and loss, each and everything. And you can manage your multiple reports like purchase reports, sales reports, inventory ledgers, item wise profit and loss, inventory balances, accounts ledger, cash and bank balances, customer balances, vendor balances, trial balance, income statement, and your balance sheet. So this is a complete Malaysia e-invoice system according to the LHND law. Just contact us today and we will help you out how we can implement this on your business. If you like our software, this is our contact number. You can contact us on WhatsApp. You can call us directly. We will help you out how this software works. We will implement this software on your business. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.